It's me again. Packing is not fun. It's not fun. I'm still in the spot where I'm struggling to find the things we need for the new house, the things we don't need for the new house. Getting rid of stuff as I go on the way. Right now I have that very huge roll of bubble wrap. I got it from Lazada. So I'm busy wrapping up balls. Anything that's glass. Yeah, because every time we move, definitely have to break something or two. I'm just trying to minimize the damage. Yeah. Brian here, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so as per the last video, you saw that I was moving houses. So this music is distracting me. I was moving houses, so this is just me in my kitchen trying to pack stuff up. Having kids makes you end up gathering lots and lots of stuff with time. I've been living here for 4 years, and considering when we moved here and right now when we're moving out, we've accumulated so much stuff. It's not fun moving. It's not fun moving. Then again, the moving company we got, okay, we decided to pack stuff on our own, and it's been fun, considering you get to decide on what you want to carry with you, what you don't want to carry with you. We've donated a lot of stuff to Second Chance Bangkok as usual. But yeah, this is just a short video of me rambling. It's been a minute since I last just, spoke in general about stuff. Yeah, at times I can be a very boring person, I will not lie. But seriously, it's been a minute. I've barely made any videos. Honestly, it's sad. It sucks. I've barely made any videos ever since I got back to Bangkok from Nairobi. I think am I losing the spark for making videos? I am not sure. I hope not. But then again, also with the upcoming move, has been taking up so much of my time trying to coordinate things. But yeah, hopefully in this new coming month, I'm gonna be busy making videos, going out there, recording videos and all that. As of the time I'm recording this video, my birthday is coming up in the next few days. I'll be 38. Yeah, I'm getting old, man. I'm getting old. And it doesn't show as much, but it's still showing. Wow. It's getting closer to the big 4-0. Well, this is to life. You cannot do all this without having a drink, right? I am not using a wine glass because I've already packed it. But the end justifies where it's going, right? Alright. Cheers to life. To many more.